Hello everyone, this is Robert here with Fresno's Kool Designs, and I'm going to be showing you how to install tires and tubes onto some 26-inch rims. First, you're going to be needing some 26-inch tubes. You're going to be needing some 26-inch liners, the tires of course, and I have 26-inch 144 spoke rims right here. These are some optional tools you can use if you need them. And so yeah, we're gonna get started off here with the tire liner. We're gonna want to make sure that we line up the hole right there with the hole in the rim. Just gotta be careful, this guy likes to slip out, so just go ahead and just play with it a little bit and it'll kind of work. You want to make sure these two holes are lined up. Here we go. Alrighty, we got that done so far. Just gonna want to make sure this liner is covering up all the spokes so that it doesn't puncture the tube later on when we're riding this bike around downtown Fresno. Okay, now we're gonna go and get the tire ready. I usually like to put the tire on inside with the rim before I put on the tube. It just has worked out easier for me. I'm sure there's different ways of doing it, but this has been the quickest way I have found out. So yeah, I'm gonna go and line up the hole of the rim with the hole of the tire. And I'm gonna go and screw on the cap, make sure the tire stays in there. And I'm just gonna be feeding and rotating this tire and wheel and just feeding the tube inside of there. All right. So we're doing a pretty good job here so far. And now I like to use my hands to put the lip of the tire onto the lip of the rim. So if you kind of see, I'm squeezing down and I'm pitching the lip of the tire into the lip of the rim, as you can see here. So you know, it's a little funny, but you just gotta kind of feel it. Once you get it started, that's the hard part, but once you get it started, it should get easier to get going. I've been doing this quite a few times here, so I can feel this rim and how it works and the tire. So yeah, I like using my hands when I'm putting the tire on because I hate to mess up the rim. There we are. Alrighty, so now we got the front wheel here. We're just gonna rinse and repeat, you know, kind of do the same deal. Put this tire liner on first. We want to make sure we line up the hole of the tire liner and the hole of the rim. We just want to make sure we line up those two holes. This tire liner is going on a little bit easier than the first one. Of course, we're just going to want to make sure the tire liner is covering up all of the spokes so that it doesn't puncture the tire when here we are, see? Cover up all the spokes, make sure we don't puncture this tire when we put the tire in later on. As you see here, I'm just kind of sliding it in. Make sure the rim's inside the tire, that the tire is nice and working with the rim here. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab the tube. And put the tube, line up the hole of the rim with the hole of the tube. And once we do that, we're gonna go ahead and screw on the cap to make sure that the tube doesn't move while we're trying to feed the tube through the tire and in between the rim. So check that out right there. See that? I'm tightening it. Now I'm just kind of feeding the tube in. You want to make sure there's not a whole lot of air in your tube. It's going to make it a lot easier. You could put some air in your tube, but not a whole lot. So yeah, I'm just feeding it in between the rim and the tire right now. It's going in pretty easy. And now I'm going to go ahead and start pinching the lip of the tire into the lip of the rim. And you see my hands here? I'm doing it on both sides. So yeah, I kind of see how it's on the right now. It's kind of squeezing out. You just gotta feel it. Kind of let it sink back in. Just kind of keep playing with it, you know. It'll work with you. But the key is to the lip of the tire needs to go into the lip of the rim. So that's gonna be your objective here today. And look at this, I'm almost done here. Just remember, guys, Fresno's Kool Designs, 252 Kool. We're on 1st and Ashland, 3035 East Ashland Avenue, Fresno, California. We got all this lowrider gear here. Now we're gonna go ahead and air up this tire. It's recommended by the manufacturer to air this tire up to 40 psi. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and do with our AirHawk Pro air gun. It's a pretty nifty tool right here. This thing is awesome. So we're just airing it up now. Now we're getting somewhere. Here's the back rim, just, you know, just gonna show you guys all. So yeah, we got lowrider bicycles, lowrider accessories, lowrider rims, tires, tubes, all kinds of different accessories. We're open Tuesday through Friday, 10 to 5, and Saturday, 10 to 3. So we really appreciate all you guys. Thank you all for watching this video, and I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up by airing up this tire to 40 psi, which is what's recommended by the manufacturer. If you guys want more videos, please check out our YouTube channel, Palacio Media Fresno, Palacio Media Fresno. We got a lot of videos, a lot of lowrider videos out there, and we got brand new rims, guys. These rims are for sale, so come on down and get ready for the summer.